Hey, today we're going to be unboxing the bin monitoring system. So all you're going to do, cut it open, and I'll show you what you're going to receive. There's one small solar panel. This is going to be for your remote unit. There's the large solar panel for your master unit. You're going to get the user manual. We're just going to remove this. This is going to be your remote unit right here. And then here is the master unit. I'll just open this up so you can take a quick look. So it's very easy to install, very easy to unpackage. Everything's right here. You got the instructions. This is our second batch of shipments we're getting done here. So make sure that you place your order soon. We got very limited inventory, so I wouldn't want to miss out. You can give us a call at, I'll give you two numbers, 204-228-2314, or for the toll free is 888-666-6820. And then you can also visit our website, www.grainanalyzers.ca. Thank you.